Hi guys, it's me Abby, and today we're gonna be learning how to automate thank you videos for either your customers to give them a little thank you video gift after their purchase. So for this use case, we're gonna be using Gmail, Zapier, and Woxo, and we're gonna give a big thank you to Mike Alexander for this really cool idea. So let's get started. So this is the spreadsheet that you're gonna start with. For this use case, we just pretty much downloaded our thank you video templates that you can find in our greetings category. And for this use case, every time you add a new row to your spreadsheet, the SAP will be triggered and therefore the video will be generated and sent to the email. So this one's right here could be interpreted as other thank you videos we already sent to our customers, and we're gonna be generating this last one. Make sure you add an email column, and then we're gonna start. Once you have this ready to go, of course don't forget to customize this to your liking. Add maybe personalization, add the customer's name, your brand, your colors, your font. We're gonna go here and we're gonna start with our trigger, which is gonna be new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. We're going to start by connecting Google Sheets and then go to new spreadsheet row under trigger event. You're gonna choose your account and then go to setup trigger. Make sure you select the correct spreadsheet and the worksheet. You're gonna test the trigger and go to custom request. And now you're gonna choose webhooks by Zapier, then in action event choose custom request, and then we get to setup action. Under method, we're gonna put post, the URL. If you don't know where to find it, check out the tutorial in our description below. The data pass through, it will be false, and then this is gonna basically take you most of the time, but don't worry because you'll only need to do this once. Then don't forget to put the theme, the token, and the content type. If you don't know where to find the theme and the token, go to our tutorial in the description below. And then we're gonna go to test action. We're gonna continue with delay. As I always say, this is really up to you. So you're gonna choose delay by Zapier, delay 4, and then the value in the unit, it really depends on you, but we usually put 2 minutes. Then we'll go to the action get, which is going to be our fourth action. Again, we're going to choose webhooks by Zapier, and in action event choose get. Setup action, you need to use the same URL we used before, with the only difference being that instead of the word generate, it's going to be the success code, which you're just going to go here, custom request, and click on success code, and then it should look exactly like this, automatically given to you, so you don't have to worry about it. And then just make sure you add the headers, the theme, the token, once again the ones you added before. And we'll go to our final step, which is kind of our new step that we haven't really done before. We're gonna connect it to Gmail, and in action event send email. Choose your account and then go to setup action. Here's the part of the email I actually reminded you to add before starting on your Zapier. On your salary, every time you row, it's gonna be forwarded to a different customer. And so once you do this, it's gonna know where to send it to, and then we're gonna move on to customizing this setup action. It's gonna be from hellowoxo.tech from Woxo, and the subject is gonna be thank you. Then you can pretty much customize this as you wish, and as soon as you test action, the email should be sent. So we did this beforehand, everything worked out smoothly, and we did receive the email right here. It says thank you so much for your purchase, the landing page, and also the video right here. If you click on it, it's gonna take you to the landing page of the video, and as I showed you before, we use the templates in our greetings category that are called thank you. And that's all for today. I hope you guys found this use case helpful, that it was easy to follow. As usual, if you have any questions, you know where to find us. Our support chat is available to you guys throughout the week, so make sure to reach out if you have any doubts. Please share with us all the cool videos you're able to generate when you watch these use cases. And that would be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this use case, and I'll see you next time. Bye. You need to use this. Don't know where to find it, check out the tutorial. So this is the worksheet, the spreadsheet, sorry.